My name's Ross Astrup. I'm CEO of Spacemaker Systems. We're a company out of Florida, founded in South Africa. A Pallet Mall is an automated robot, and it transports a pallet within a deep lane rack system. So it serves the purpose of high density pallet storage. The Pallet Mall uses 6 sensors to see the world. 12 sensors in the mall currently, and all of them are SICK products. Where I think we're different is in the reliability, and that's where SICK plays an important role. We strongly feel that we do have the best unit that's out there. It goes without question that the reliability of the robot has improved dramatically. We have a lot of customer sites that we solve problems using a SICK product as opposed to what we had in the robot before. The customer service is first class. We have presence around the globe, and what's really important for us is that customer service is available from SICK around the globe. So wherever we are, they're a phone call away, and the service we get is really first class. Well, I just really value our relationship with SICK. They provide an excellent product, and we value the relationship. I don't know what else to say.
Spacemaker started in 2008 based on a product out of South Africa. Every day here in the automation department, we look to see how can we take that Pallet Mall product and to the next evolution, the next variant, to keep ahead of the competition. And that is where partnering with SICK has made a big difference, because they've been able to keep up with our hunger to keep on developing. They've been right there next to us all this time. The technology that SICK provides, they are at the almost bleeding edge of what we can have to market in this industry. We can have more advanced sensors. You know, a couple of years ago, all that our pallet malls could see was if there is something in front of it. Now we're getting into a generation of pallet mall that can determine, is it a pallet in front of it? Is it a fork truck? Is it a human? This not just makes the machine more efficient, but also adds a massive safety factor to it that wouldn't be there without the collaboration with SICK. You can't take a chunk of metal and make it see the world any other way. Sensors are its eyes and ears. The more advanced the sensors is and the more safety-orientated sensors become, the safer we can make machines and the better visibility we can give the machines of the environments around it.